Hi friends, today we solve exercise number 2.3. First question, divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. Okay, then total 3 internal question is there, and first question, p of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and g of x is equals to x square minus 2. So first of all, we need to arrange both this polynomial as per the sequence of exponent of a variable. Okay, we need to arrange the term as per the sequence of exponent of variable. Now look at the p of x. Here exponent of variable 3, then 2, then 1, and then exponent 0. That means constant term without terms which do not contain x, right? So this is already as per the sequence. But in g of x, there is a x square minus 2. Here exponent 2, but there is not any single term which contain x. So in place of, we can put 0x. Okay, so or x square plus 0x minus 2, that means x square minus 2. That means we do not change the equation, but we just change the form of our equation. Okay, if we do not put 0x, then even we can also solve this question, but this is the easiest way. Okay, if we divide 10 by 3, 3 3 is a 9 and 1. In division process, actually we are trying to go closer to the number 10. Okay, 3 3 is a 9, it is very close to the 10. That's why we are multiply with 3. Okay, 3 3 is a 9 and 1 is remainder. Our very first try is to get remainder 0. If 12 by 4 is there, then what we try? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so if we do 4 3s are 12, then our remainder becomes 0. Okay, then our remainder becomes 0. That means we are trying to go closer to our original number, that is 12. And second thing, if we multiply 4 3s are and putting here 12, after that we do subtraction process here. Okay, after that here we do subtraction process. So just remember these things. We are trying to go closer for the original number, and at last we are doing subtraction process. Now start this equation. Here I am writing p of x, here I am writing g of x, and in between I already written 0x. Okay, so our first try. Now our first step is equal the first term of p of x and first term of g of x. That means we need one number that is multiply with x square and gives us x cube. It is x because if we multiply x square with the x, then it gives x cube, right? This is one way. So here I am writing x. So in actual division process, if here 17 is there and 3 5s are, okay, then what we do, multiply with this two numbers, means 3 5s are 15 we put here, same thing we do here. Okay, so we multiply this whole polynomial by x, and whatever answer we get, that we put here. So first of all, x square multiply with x, it becomes x cube. Then 0x multiply x, x multiply x, x square, and coefficient with coefficient, it is 0. Okay, then third term, that is 2 with x. First of all, plus minus minus, because multiplication process is here. So here minus sign, then 2 multiply x, it is 2x. Okay. Then what we need to do? Subtraction process. In subtraction, we know that we need to change the sign of every term. Okay. Here nothing is given, that means plus sign is there, so we need to convert in minus sign. Here plus sign, so we need to convert in minus sign. Minus sign, so we need to convert in plus sign. Okay. Because in subtraction process, sign of every terms is changed. Okay. Because if plus sign is there and we multiply with minus, then minus plus minus. If minus sign is there, again if we put minus sign here, so minus minus plus, that means plus becomes minus and minus become plus. So alternately we say that we need to change the sign of every term in subtraction process. Okay. Second way, if you do not get the logic of x, then you can do one more thing, that is x cube divided by x square, first term with first term. X cube divided by x square. So again x and divide by x square, x 2 times. So 2 to x cut, so your answer is x, that you need to put here. Okay. In this way you can also solve this sum. Then same process, multiply this whole polynomial with x and answer you need to write here. And then subtraction process is there, that's why we change the sign. So here plus x cube minus x cube cancel. In second term, now we need to forget this sign. Now 0x square, sign of 0x square is minus and sign of 2x we need to consider plus. Okay. So in second term, here minus sign and minus sign. Okay. Minus 3x square and minus 0x square. So with 0x square we do not need to do any process, directly write down the term as it is, because you add 0 otherwise subtract 0, then nothing can be changed. Okay. So same answer we get here, that is minus 3x square with the sign. Third term, plus 5x and plus 2x, we do not need to consider minus sign. Okay. So plus 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 5 plus 2 7 and x your variable as it is. Otherwise you can say that your variable is common, then in bracket 5 plus 2 7x. Then minus 3 comes down. Now again your first term is here and first term of g of x. So minus 3x square and x square. Again divide minus 3x square by x square. So what you get, x square cut minus 3. So put minus 3 here. Okay. Divide first term by first term, minus 3x square divided by x square. So you get minus 3. So put minus 3 in the answer. Now again what you need to do, that is multiply this whole polynomial by minus 3. So x square multiply minus 3, minus 3x square, 0x multiply minus 3, multiply with 0, it becomes 0, sign plus minus minus, and x is there, that's why 0x. Then minus 2 into minus 3, minus minus plus, so plus 3 to the 6. Okay. Then subtraction process, so we need to change the sign. Minus is converted in plus, minus is converted in plus, and plus is converted in minus. Okay. Then minus 3x square plus 3x square cancel. Here 7 minus 0, that means 7, and with variable x is there. Here minus 3 and minus 6, minus 3 and minus 6, minus minus plus, but here addition subtraction process is there, so no need to put plus sign, but minus minus plus it show the process. That means we need to add this to the term. 6 plus 3 9, and big number sign it is minus. That's why minus 9. Okay, now look for the degree. Here degree is 2, highest power of variable, and here is degree 1. So degree of r of x, that means remainder, is less than the degree of g of x. Okay, then no further division process is possible. This is our final answer. So our quotient is x minus 3 and remainder is 7x minus 9. Okay. Then second question. Second question, p of x is equals to x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. G of x is equals to x square minus x plus 1. So our first step is we need to arrange the term in sequence of exponent wise. So here x raised to 4, then there is a no term which contain x cube. So in place of that I written here 0x cube plus 0x cube, then minus 3x square, then 4x and plus 5. Okay, so we need to maintain the sequence, and g of x is already as per the sequence. That's why I directly written here, because exponent 2, 1 and 0. So x square minus x plus 1. Then first step is to division of first step of p of x and g of x. So x raised to 4 divided by x raised to 2. Now base is same, division process is there, then we need to subtract the exponent. That means 4 minus 2, 2. So my answer is x square. Right? My answer is x square. So I written here x square. Then we need to multiply this whole polynomial with x square. Right? So first x square with x square. Now this is the multiplication process. In multiplication, if our base is same, then we need to add our exponent. So base is x, exponent 2 plus 2, 4. So I written here x raised to 4. Right? Then minus x with x square. First of all, plus minus minus, x into x. Base is same. Here nothing is given, that means exponent 1. So 2 plus 1, total exponent 3. Okay. And at last, plus 1 with x square, it is x square. We can also write it 1x square, but if we write only x square, then even it's okay. It's right, okay. Then we need to change the sign. Plus is converted in minus, minus converted in plus, plus is converted in minus. So our x raised to 4, x raised to 4 cut. Okay. In every division, first step is always cut out. Then second step, here we see that 0x cube is there. Then we do not need to do any process. Directly just write down 1x cube. And sign of 1x cube is plus. So with the sign 1x cube. Right? Because we do not consider this sign right now. Okay. Then in third term, minus 3x square and minus x square. Right? So minus minus plus. So we need to do addition. Here nothing is given, that means 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Our variable as it is x square, and sign of big number minus 4x square. Right? So here minus 4x square and plus 4x comes downside. Then again same process, means first step divided by first step. Again base is same, subtraction process, 3 minus 2, 1. So my answer is x raised to 1. I can also write it's x only. Okay. So this x I written here. Again, what we need to do? Multiply this polynomial with plus x, right? So x square minus x plus 1 multiply with x. First of all, multiply this term x square into x. Here nothing is given, that means exponent 1. Okay, base is same, so addition of exponent 2 plus 1, x raised to 3, right? Then second step, minus x multiply with x plus minus minus x, here exponent 1, here exponent 1, so 1 plus 1 2. Okay, then multiply with last term 1 multiply x square, 1 multiply x, it is 1x, and plus plus plus, so x cube minus x square plus x, that I written here, means multiply this polynomial with x and answer I written here. Now we need to change the sign, minus plus minus. Again, first term plus x cube minus x cube cancel. Okay, then in second step, here minus 4x square and plus nothing is given, that means 1x square. So x square as it is, plus minus minus 4 minus 1 3, big number sign minus, so minus 3x square. Last step, 4x minus x, nothing is given, 1x, so 4 minus 1 3x, that I written here. Okay, then our last step of p of x plus 5 comes downside, and again here first term is minus 3x square, divide with the first term x square, so x square cut, so final answer minus 3, that I written in the answer minus 3. Okay, similar process. Now we again multiply this polynomial with minus 3, so x square into minus 3 minus 3x square, minus x into minus 3 minus minus plus plus 3x, and plus 1 multiply minus 3 plus minus 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 3. Okay, then change the sign, plus minus plus, so plus 3x square minus 3x square cancel, plus 3x minus 3x cancel. Now at last step, plus 5 and plus 3, so 5 plus 3 8, 8 is our remainder, because degree of r of x is now less than the degree of g of x, that's why. So this is our quotient, x square plus x minus 3, and this is our remainder, it is 8. Okay, then question number 3. P of x is equals to x raised to 4 minus 5x plus 6, and g of x is equals to 2 minus x square. Now in P of x raised to 4 is given, then minus 5x and plus 6. So we need to put 0x cube and 0x square, because this two term is not given. That's why I add 0x cube plus 0x square. Okay, so this is our P of x that I written here, x raised to 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6. Now in g of x is given that 2 minus x square. First of all, we need to arrange the g of x. So first of all, I need to write minus x square with the sign. Then I need to put 0x and then here plus 2 is there, right? So plus 2. Okay, because the term which contain x is missing, that's why I put 0x. So in this equation we need to arrange the p of x and g of x for the polynomial. So minus x square plus 0x plus 2. Now same process is there. Here x raised to 4 divided by first term, it is minus x square. With this sign we need to divide. Okay. Now base is same, x 4 minus 2. 2 division is that, that's why I subtract the exponent, and for sign here plus minus minus, so minus x square, so I written here minus x square. Okay, then we need to multiply this polynomial with the first term, so minus x square with minus x square, minus minus plus, x raised to addition of exponent 2 plus 2 4, so x raised to 4, that I written here. Then multiply with 0, so multiplication with 0, that means 0, and x into x square, addition of exponent x cube, and sign plus minus minus. You can put plus even because it's a 0x cube, then sign doesn't matter, right? Then 2 with minus x square, so minus 2x square plus minus minus. Okay, then our first term is cancelled, then both the term is 0, then no need to write this term, it is also cancel out, right? In both the term plus sign is there, but both are 0, that means 0. So directly we are going for our third term. I also found one 0x square, so I am directly write down 2x square, and sign of 2x square is positive, so plus 2x square, because this sign we do not need to consider, we need to consider this plus sign, right? Final sign. So now in this case plus 5x comes down, and with the plus 6 even comes down, because we skip this step, that's why, because our two terms becomes 0 at the same time, so that's why we need to take two terms downside from the p of x, right? Here as per the division we do not need to put 0, because if we put 0, that means plus 0x, it doesn't if we do not write plus 0x, meaning is not changed. As per the actual division we need to put 0 here, right? Then I am writing minus 2, but 0 if we cannot write, then even my answer is same, that's why I do not put 0 here, directly take two terms at downside. Okay, so again same process, 2x square divided by minus x square, x square is cut, so final answer 2 plus minus minus 2, that's why I written here minus 2. Now this polynomial multiply with minus 2, then x square with 2, so minus minus plus 2 into x square, 2x square. Okay, then second term 0 with minus 2, so minus 2 multiply 0 0 x, so x as it is plus minus minus, then this plus 2 multiply with minus 2, plus minus minus 2 to the 4, then change the sign, minus plus plus, again our first term cancel out, 2x square 2x square, then 0x is there, so directly write down as it is minus 5x, and at last plus 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4 10. Now degree of remainder is less than the degree of g of x, so this is our final answer. Okay, so our quotient is minus x square minus 2 and remainder minus 5x plus 10. Okay.